Today it's Friday, so I made Friday special Aloo Goshth Korma with BAGARA khana. It's always my favorite. If I don't make biryani on Fridays, my second option is Aloo Goshth Korma, an ultimate comfort food. So let's see how to make this. Heat 1/4 cup oil in a pressure cooker. Add 3 chopped onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. Goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for 30 seconds. And now add 750 grams mutton. Roast it for a minute on medium-high heat. And to this I'm adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Give this a very nice mix. And now I'm going to add some chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves and 1 green chili. Add little water if required and roast it for a minute. And next I'm going to add half cup curd, adding 3 large potatoes peeled and washed. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust as per your taste. Add 1 cup tomato puree. Mix this nicely and cook for 2 minutes. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 3 to 4 coconut cubes. Give this a very nice mix. Adding 2 cups of water. Mix well. And now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Till then I'll make BAGARA khana. Add 3 to 4 tablespoon oil or ghee. Goes in 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves. And now I'm going to add 2 medium-sized sliced onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Add 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Saute for 30 seconds. Add some fresh mint leaves. And to this I'm adding 6 glass water. 2 teaspoons salt. Mix well. And now close the lid and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, add 4 cups soaked rice. You can also use basmati rice. Give this a nice mix. Now close the lid and cook over a high flame until water is reduced and soaked by the rice for 6 minutes. And now again close the lid and slow cook till the rice is completely cooked. And now you can see mutton korma is ready. Open the lid once pressure goes off. Mix well and transfer this in a serving bowl. Serve immediately and enjoy. Brownish, slightly reddish, golden soupy korma with a layer of oil floating on the top will make your mouth water, and it tastes heavenly with rice, roti and parathas. This pressure cook aloo goshth is a dish where you have everything just right, well balanced and perfect. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with your family and friends, snap a pic and tag it on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen and follow us for more updates. And subscribe to our channel. When you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more interesting recipes. Take care and have a nice day.